Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a PDF double-sided. It's really simple and easy. First of all, go and open up the PDF and see this document had multiple pages. And now all we need to do is start the printing process. To do that, you can click on the print icon in the top right or just do the shortcut Ctrl P. Now what you need to do is choose your printer at the top, and then we can go through here and go choose the different settings. But the main thing we need to do is go and find the settings print on both side paper. It's important to note your printer will need to go and support this. Not all printers will be able to. You can then choose if you want to flip on the long edge or short edge. Not all printers will be able to. You can then choose if you want to flip on the long edge or the short edge, and then when you are ready, just press on print and it will start. That's pretty much it for this video. That's how to print a PDF double-sided. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.